Well, if you add up all of the Liverpool players on the field at the moment and consider how many first-team starts they will all make next season, obviously there will be some, but I don't think it'll be a very big number. The team that you see play the 4 games in the States will be very different. Come up against Ashley Cole and his new Roma teammates in their first game in Boston next week. Foul on Enrique. He's welcomed to the action a couple of minutes after coming on. Stewart. Cody. Moved forward by Coates.